My name is Professor Rosa Lastra, and I hold the Sir John Lubbock Chair in Banking Law at Queen Mary University of London. I'm delighted to welcome you to Regulation of Financial Markets, which is one of our cornerstone modules in the LLM in Banking and Finance Law. This module provides a foundational understanding of how financial markets are regulated and supervised across jurisdictions, across time, and across institutions. If you're curious about how governments, central banks, and regulators supervise and regulate the financial system and why that matters to law, policy, and the global economy, then this course is for you. Throughout the module, we examine a series of core questions. For example, why do governments regulate and supervise financial markets? What is the role of central banks? What is money? And how do we regulate its creation and circulation? What is the rationale for banking regulation? And how do we regulate and supervise financial institutions to control risk? You will study how law interacts with the political economy of finance. We look at prudential supervision, conduct of business rules, and crisis management instruments such as lender of last resort, deposit insurance, and bank resolution regimes. We cover both microprudential supervision and macroprudential policy and assess how different jurisdictions, including the United Kingdom, the United States, and the European Union, approach supervision. This course is not only about rules on paper, it is about understanding the why and how of financial regulation. We will examine, for example, the Basel Capital Rules, the key attributes of effective resolution for the resolution of financial institutions from the Financial Stability Board, and the growing influence of international soft law. We also explore timely topics, such as the regulation of digital currencies, the role and independence of central banks, and how the architecture of financial supervision and regulation has evolved since the global financial crisis of 2007-2009. A unique feature of this module is the quality and profile of our guest lecturers. Past contributors have included General Counsel of the IMF, BIS, Federal Reserve Bank of New York, and Bank of England, as well as leading academics and partners from top law firms in both the UK and the US. You do not need a background in finance or economics to take this course. It is designed to provide the essential regulatory and institutional knowledge that supports more advanced study in financial law, central banking, compliance, and international economic law. It also offers a platform for critical thinking about the intersection of law, markets, and policies. Whether you're preparing for a career in financial regulation, international organizations, central banks, law firms, public policy, or legal consultancy, this module offers both the theoretical grounding and the practical insight needed to navigate and shape today's complex financial systems. We also enrich the learning experience beyond the classroom, for example with our annual panel discussion at the Bank of England, where students interact with senior policymakers, lawyers, and practitioners. Past students have consistently highlighted how engaging and thought-provoking these lectures are. Many have described the course as a transformative introduction to financial regulation. I look forward to having you join us for what I hope will be a truly enriching academic experience.